Now we see that no matter to what page in our application we go, we still see the same title in our tab, and we want to change it. We want to make this title dynamic. So to do this, we are going to our application HTML, and here we're going to add some code like this. So we're going to have a dynamic title. Let's comment out the old kind of title, and next we're going to our views that we want to have our tab name edited for. So we're going to, for example, course show, and here we're going to add this information. So here we have our name of the app or anything we want, and later we can have any dynamic kind of content for this title. So, for example, we are taking the course title. Let's refresh, and here we see courses business 492. Now, when we go to courses, we see just all the courses because we don't see any title in courses index. Let's open courses index. And here we are also going to add a dynamic title. So like courses, all courses. It's not going to be dynamic here because nothing's going to change on the courses index page ever. So here we have all courses. Whenever we open any course, we see the name of the course, and it looks kind of nice. Now we're going to add it also for users. So we're going to courses to users index, and here we're going to add something like all users, also not dynamic. But when we open a user, and actually we don't have a link to open the user here, we're going to add this link. So let's take our user code, and here we're just going to copy the link. So link to user email, and here we're going to have a link to user email. Table description, here we're going to delete the user email, okay. And we're also going to get the online buttons visible. So we're going to user, and we're going to add this online status. We'll add it under the same TD as the email. Okay, let's see if it works. So we see if a user is online, good. And we see that when we go to this page, we see all users. Now when we go to a page of a particular user, we are going to also make it so that he is his email or his username is visible here. So let's go to our courses show, and we are going to copy the title into our users show code. And here we're going to have title, and here we're going to have at user dot username. So here we have this user in our title. Now we can add the word profile. So we see that it is a profile of this person as an example, but we're not going to do it in this application. So now what else do we want to change? We have the home page, and for the home page, we are also going to edit this tab. So we are going to our views, home, index, and in home index, we will add something like Corsego, online courses, learn anything on your schedule, just some kind of marketing content. Okay, now which other pages do we have? We have a page of activity. So for activity, we are also going to add something. Just activity. Okay. And which other pages do we have? We have a page to show a course. Now we see the course name. We have a page to create a course. We are going to also add a title for creating a course. So let's go to courses, new, and here we're going to add a button. So course, Corsego, new course. Then we have a button to edit a course. We can now edit only courses that belong to our current users. So let's see a course that belongs to this user. Okay, Corsego, edit course. and we're going to our edit action. And here we're going to have so Corsego, then edit, and the course title equals at course dot title. Okay, so editing this course. Fantastic. Now let's see which other views we want to add the title for. So we edited it for the course edit, index, new and show actions, home activity and index, lessons. Lessons were not edited yet. So let's go and see our lessons. So let's open a lesson. Let's go back to this course. It was a course, yes. So we are looking at the course, we are opening a lesson, and we are going to add a lesson name in the title and the course also. So we are going to have course equals at course.title and lesson equals at lesson dot title. Let's see. Okay. Now we're going to add some slashes for our navigation. So we have our navigation on top here. Looks nice as for me. And we're going to add the lesson edit in a similar way. So we're going to lessons edit, and we are also going to add a title here. So let's see how it looks. Okay. And we're going to add the word editing. So editing lesson. Okay. And let's go back to the course and add a title for adding a new lesson to an existing course. So let's go to lessons new. And here we're going to add a title. So we don't have this lesson created yet. That's why we don't have add lesson. And we're going to add something like new lesson. Okay, so that's it with our titles for this lesson. Now we'll have all these beautiful dynamic titles wherever we go in our application. Thank you.